Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn what is Docker Hub. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So Docker Hub is a cloud-based registry service provided by the Docker inclusive. It serves as a central repository for sharing, distributing and managing Docker images. Let's go to the Docker Hub. So this is Docker Hub. Okay, so I have created an account. Then you can see that they have a number of images: busybox, ubuntu, python. So you can see about this one. So the line which I've mentioned over here: cloud based registry service provided by the Docker. So it's a cloud based registry service where you can pull the Docker images and use it. Docker Hub allows developers to store, discover, and collaborate on the containerized applications and their associated image. Here are some key features and the functions of the Docker Hub. Image storage. Docker Hub provides a place where developers to store their Docker images. Images can be publicly accessible or private, depending on the visibility settings chosen by the image owner. Public and the private repositories. Docker Hub supports both public and the private repositories. Public repositories are visible to everyone and can be accessed by anyone, while the private repositories require authentication, providing a secure space for storing proprietary or the sensitive images. Images versioning. So developers can version their Docker images on the Docker Hub. This versioning allows users to reference specific versions of an image, making it easier to track the changes, roll back to previous versions, and ensure consistency in the different environments. Collaboration. Docker Hub facilitates collaboration among the developers by allowing them to share images and contribute to the projects. Teams can use the Docker Hub to collaborate on the shared containers or distribute custom images internally. Next, we have automated builds. Docker Hub supports automated builds, allowing developer to link their GitHub bucket account repository to Docker Hub. This way, when the changes are pushed to the linked repository, Docker Hub automatically triggers a build process to create a new Docker image. Official images. Docker Hub hosts a collection of official images that are maintained and supported by the Docker community or associated organizations. These images serve as a trusted base images for the various applications, services, and the operating systems. Webhooks. Docker Hub supports the webhooks, allowing developers to automate certain actions such as triggering builds. When specifying events occur, like webhooks enable integration with the continuous integration and the continuous deployment, that is CI/CD pipeline. Okay, organization accounts. Docker Hub provides support for the organization accounts, allowing the teams to manage and share images under a common namespace. This feature is particularly useful for the collaborative development within an organization. Search and the discovery. Docker Hub offers the search and the discovery features, making it easy for developers to find and explore existing Docker images. Users can search for images based on the keywords, tags, and the categories. Integration with the Docker CLI. Docker Hub seamlessly integrate with the Docker command line interface. Users can pull and the push images to and from Docker Hub using the simple Docker commands. So Docker Hub is the central part of the Docker ecosystem and plays crucial role in the containerization workflow. Okay, in overall you can say that it's a cloud based registry where you can pull the images, store the images, right, with the authentication. Okay, it provides a platform for developer to share, distribute, and the collaborate on the containerized applications, contributing to the widespread adoption of a Docker in the software development and the deployment. Those so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. In the next video, we are going to learn how to install the Docker in Linux Ubuntu. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Next, now exciting part will be come up, like installing the Docker, how to create the image, how to create a Docker file, how to set up a Node.js project, how to stop, remove containers, images, everything. Now it's gonna be interesting. So be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.